Our case started with a woman named Jamie Dantzscher. Jamie grew up in St. Demas.
Dantzscher off to a great start tonight.
Was a U.S. national team gymnast and was a member of the 2000 Olympic team. And she had no idea that there were other victims. She just knew it happened to her, and she didn't want to have it happen to another child. We initially filed as a doe, and immediately Nassar's supporters outed her name on social media, said terrible things about her. And I think the message that gave me is, if she's willing to do this, we're willing to fight for her. And it wasn't just me, my partner Vince Finaldi, it was my partner Morgan Stewart, it was Bart Dalton, a lawyer in Delaware, and this amazing civil rights lawyer in Michigan named Steve Drew. Larry Nassar had been the Olympic team physician for about 25 years. He was hired by Marta and Bela Karolyi. They brought essentially the Soviet style of gymnastics in terms of the way they treat their athletes to the United States. And in that environment, Larry Nassar thrived. And what he did over 25 years is abuse America's greatest female athletes sexually under the guise of medical care. Not only did the U.S. Olympic Committee, USA Gymnastics, know that he was doing this and knowingly put them in harm's way, but the FBI engaged in a full-scale conspiracy with those two organizations to conceal it. This was reported by Aly Raisman, the two-time team captain of the U.S. Women's Elite Gymnastics team, by Michaela Maroney, a gold medalist, and Maggie Nichols, a world champion. The FBI never served a subpoena for records on him, never searched his house, never did anything. A defense lawyer for USA Gymnastics had worked on abuse cases, and that was not disclosed to us. And that judge had been a partner at the firm that represented USA Gymnastics, and that wasn't disclosed either. And they did everything within their power to nail us. They hired lobbyists. They tried their best to defeat these women, and they couldn't. You know, testifying in front of the United States Senate and having everybody from the most left-wing senator you can think of to the most Republican senator you can think of agreeing is a rare thing. We sued Michigan State University, where he worked as a doctor. We sued the U.S. Olympic Committee. We sued USA Gymnastics, and eventually we filed claims against the FBI. We didn't get to a lawsuit because they settled. And the thing I'm most proud of is that we were able to not only get the result, but I think fundamentally change the way athletes, especially amateur athletes, are treated in the Olympic system and otherwise.